Pentecostal Network PenNet program thir tu te lalpai swaming in chibai ule tungkar chunga UPC Northeast India Kohhran rawngbawlna chanchin thar thlir in lo ngai thlang u UPC Northeast India Kohhran rawngrelna sang Executive Board Budget Session ni hi o chu January ni som hi pakwale ni som thungchung khan General Headquarters Office Committee Room Malpui Salem Veng Aizola nei ani Executive Board Budget Session a hian kumsang ni som hi chunga tana General Kohhran Pui Budget le General Headquarters Administration Way Department, General Missions, Sunday School, PYD, LAD, Offset Press, Media Cell, Bible College, Compassion Center, District Shang Budget, Mizoram Chung le Pona Zirne Inle Committee Peng Shang Budget here how ani a, Chanchin Kim Chang Ero Karle le Mati Chua ani ang. Budget ba ka hen General Headquarters Administration le District Shang Thok tu lo. Pay Commission in Aroman Chupom ani a January sang ni som hi atanga mantan ani ang tin General Headquarters sa motor park na tur building Rahman ni seti te Philippines thalai inkhom puya kalna tura General PYD in adil na chu an approved bok January ni som ni pariat thole ni khan General Headquarters Office Malpui Salem Veng Aizola Theological Education Board meeting nei ani Meeting hi Reverend Lalmal Soma Sailo General Superintendent Joanna Kaishwaya Anthurel Tangpuite Kumsang ni som ni Calvary Bible College Shillong Budget tan cheng noi som sari Pathum Rahman ani Calvary Bible College lecturer MTH Azir Turle Lazir Turte Awangin lecturer quarters Lua Dan Rahman na thar siam ani Hi General Administrative Committee a 10 ani ang Kumin sang ni som ni September ni riat hi Calvary Bible College kumsom nga na ani dona Golden Jubilee ani angin alumnam program buat sa ini seti ani February ni li atanga ni sari chunghian General Headquarters Office Malpui Salem Veng Aizola Kohhran sum audit ani don General Headquarters account shang baka General Administration Waya Department Field le Committee peng shang te sum audit ani ang Auditor si hi Reverend Sila Ramwana, Reverend Biak Sang Zwala, Reverend Sila Rintuangale, Reverend Joseph L. Thangte anni. January ni somni pasari Thortan ni Khan Bihar Missions Field, Bodh Gaya section a member thar somni, Pentecostal Kohhran senglu ni in, suangai damna baptisma chantir ngal anni. Tuna member thar senglu na Aurangabad district a hian, Pentecostal member anla omlova, tuna hian Bulchan thar ani a, Bihar Ramchung District Pakwa, Patna, Vaishali, Chhabra, Katihar, Khagaria, Araria, Nalanda, Gaya, Aurangabad te Pentecostal Kohhran din anita ani. General try to the program. General Superintendent Reverend Lalmal Soma Sailo Chuan, Tripura District Conference Avoy Somna, Balaram Kohhran nei manpuin speakera atangang. District Shang rawngbawlna chanchin ngai thak chunjomila, Lunglei District January ni somni pali zir top zana tanga ni somni paruk pathiani chung khan Lunglei District chunga bial pathum then lumbial chongte bial let labung bial te chuan bial conference an manga district shwai tu ten heng conference hi an manpui labung bial te chuan an bial conference avoi som pangana hi chon pui local biak ina an manga district superintendent Reverend C Vanal ena chuan speaker ni in manpuya inkhom pui thupuya hian Iswa Krista local le na ti chuman ani a January ni somni pali zir top ni a PYD le LAD ten rowrel na nein January ni somni panga in Rinia Sunday School Department le Kohhran pui te chuan rowrel na an nei bok an rowrel lang sar zwalte Kohhran pui bial hop seminar nei bu fai tham tha lo man siam pastor quarters chungsak chunzom pastor quarters inverter le battery ngai tua LED Pastor Quarters Sam Budget Cheng Sing Khat Sang ni siam ani SC Homton Puinan Cheng Sang Thumpek ni se PYD Bial Hop Crusade ni se Pastor Quarters a Sami Sofa da Turam Malak Education Committee Tana Budget da Then Lumbial te hian changpui local an bial conference voice som hi pasari na hian manga District Treasurer Reverend Sila Rintuanga chuan speaker ni in ahman pui Inkhom pui thupuya tan mizui ra u ti chuan mishing man tua ka siamang che u mathaya bungli chang som pakwa chu man ani a January ni somni pali zirtom ni khan PYD LED le missions department ten rorel na anneya January ni somni panga inrin niya kaushan puile Sunday school department ten rorel na annei bok January ni somni paruk pathiani chhnua sacrament inkhom nei ani a bel secretary evangelist pilal hun thanga chuan abwat sai ani then lumbel inkhom pui nei chung hian larampari lungmoi local chuan zain rongbawlna anei bok anro re langsar zwalte kaushan pui sangni somni hian bel hop crusade then lum local nei ni se bel shwai tu atan zuk le hmam nge ni se ti chu kalpui zel ni se sangni somni pakhat conference chu then lum local nga ani LED district LED conference sangni somni hi bel hopa motor mana kal ni se pastor quarters a bedsheet le lukham pathum da ni se bel LED bible ral chan siam le ni se conference to conference inkare LED member kumsomriat ling thar ten hena choi moina thuziak hlan thin ni se PYD thurelte ni somni pakhada tangani somni pathum thani sangni somni chung hian then lum lokala bial meet nei ni se speaker tambel to pastor PC zai on rammoi chu ruat ani pastor quarters electric wiring athara thak ni se ama thei angbera mala ngal tur ani missions department rorel tlangpuite October thachung hian bial hwapa crusade nei ni se crusade na hmuna tan changpui local ni se district at thlen tur thupui mo tak tak an ngai to bok chung te bial te po in an bial conference avoi somli pakhat na hi lungrang south local an hmanga thupuya babylon thuruk ti chu hmangin district missions director reverend R Vanel enga chuan hman puin January ni somni panga inrin nia bial missions department kaushan puile Sunday school department ten rorelin January ni somni pasari thotan ni hiam bial inkhom puidol tu lungrang south local ten pathian choi moina anneya him takin hun an mang ani rorel langsar zwalte kaushan pui rorel ni somni thani sangni somni hian mautlang bek in sak work camp nei ni se bial hop upale rongbol tu retreat nei ni se Sunday school department awareness campaign nei ni se bial chunga local Sunday school kai thate loman peng ni se ti anrel ani January ni somthum pakhat zirtop zana tangkhan pu pui bial zol pui bial le south banlai phai bial te chuan bial conference an mang puk pui bial inkhom pui voi somthum panga na hi zong hmai local biak ina nei ani a district treasurer reverend Silarin tuanga chuan man puya January ni somthum pakhat zirtop ni khan kaushan pui le Sunday school department te chuan rorel na anneya February ni khat inrin ni khan LED le missions department te chuan rorel na annei bok Hebel inkhom puya hian district treasurer reverend Silarin tuanga bel du pastor reverend PC Ngaklian le reverend T ai chunga ten thu soi rongbawlna annei don ani zol pui bial inkhom pui po tuisen chwa biak ina nei mekani a kaushan pui missions department le Sunday school department ten bial conference a hian rorel na anneya speaker tan reverend C Vanel ena district superintendent chuman ani South Vanlai Phai bial conference voinga na po darzo local a man mekani a district secretary reverend PC lal fakoma chuan a man pui February ni khat inrin ni khan bial kaushan pui missions department le Sunday school department ten rorel na annei ani February ni pathiani manghian district missions director reverend R Vanel enga chuan Laisoral missions field ta rongbawlna aneyang Laisoral a hian district missions department chuan home missionary atan evangelist rohlupuya thalun chu ada mek ani kumin sangni somni chungin cheng pui lokala baptisma khuruvoi ni honto ani a heta hian mi pariatin baptisma changin anjinga mi pathum hi mi thar anni a heiba ka hian chung ko khat member pasari chu kaushana zialu anni bok kumin chungin cheng pui missions field a hian member thar som anom to ani February ni khat inrin ni khan toy pui bial LED te bwa sain toy pui north 2 biak ina seminar nei ani a resource person atan district PYD president evangelist avilal du amachu an manga he huna hian LED shwai tu de baka rongbol tu nupui te antel ani Longtlai West district rongbawlna chanchin district superintendent reverend R Ramthajola chuan Aizola executive board nein January ni somni pakwa atangani somthum chung khan hun amanga Aizola tanghian January ni somthum pakhat zirtop ni khan Tripura district conference manpuin Tripura apan District Missions Director Reverend F Lalbiak Thwama chuan January ni somthum pakhat atanga February ni ni chunga nei dil tlang bial conference amhan pui meka director hi anupui unaw nu bi le sang remi evangelist Henry H Ramthiang Lima unaw nu zwal bui rongbol tu thangrwala rongbol tu JH mangai zwala unaw nu mwani rongbol tu lal dukima rongbol tu PC ro khuma tualupa MC ro mwaka district LAD president unaw nu JL nun puangi unaw nu sangthoi le unaw nu jeneti ten antroi om ani January ni somni pali atang ni somni paruk chunga longlai north section conference voi somli pali na thurel tlang puite kumsang ni somni pakhata council venga conference ni somni pakwa atang ni somthum pakha January sang ni somni pakhata nei tur ani speaker nei le thupui nei thati ani a section board kuta da ani thingka huna home missionary roi chunjom le thati ani section department head rat thar tur chu zugle hmamtilo ngei rat thati ani chota guisuri tu biak in saktan puina pek thati ani a section board kuta da ani conference rore hi pastoral somliana sailo district secretary reverend F Lalbiak Trauma district missions director le pastoral lomsanga speaker ten an ho ani Tripura district rongbawlna chanchin January ni somthum pakhat atanga February ni hi chung hian Tripura district conference voi somna ambasa section balarama han mekani a conference thupuya tan hian Joshua bungsom pathum changkhat there remains very much land yet to be possessed ti mangin January ni somthum pakhat zirtop jan khan Tripura district secretary Reverend R Larin Moya chuan inkhom kai shwain General Superintendent Reverend Lalmal Somasailo chuan conference hlanna aneya conference chungin unaw nu Genevieve fakzeli darlong unaw nu la nuntluangi nupui scholarship ten zai rongbawlna annei thin ani conference chunga speaker te zirtopa Reverend Sila Thantluanga North Mizoram District Missions Director Inrini Zana Reverend R Ramthatzola Longtlai West District Superintendent Pathiani Zinga Reverend Lalmal Somasailo General Superintendent Pathiani Zana Reverend W.L. Thangshwet Simtuipui District Superintendent Kolkata Field Director Reverend V. Biaksanglia Tonglet Tu Atana Man Anibok Aizawl East District Rongbawlna chanchin thar January ni somthum pakhat zirtop ni khan District Missions Department Hnuai Home Missionary lak thartetan induction training board sai ani Reverend R. Lianzama Missions Director Henatungin Evangelism Chungchangai Thlangni in Reverend Rosang Kolni District Superintendent Henatungin Administration le Reverend Biak Sangzola District Secretary Henatungin Leadership Chungchangai Thak anibok February ni ni Pathiani Zan Hian Zemabok Vengpui Biak in District Missions Department Hnuaya Home Missionary lak tharte tirchhuana hun man anidon Hehun hi Reverend R. Lianzama Director chuan kaishwain tirchhuana le hlanna Reverend Rosanga Kolni District Superintendent chuan anenga Reverend Biak Sangzola District Secretary Henatungin Fuina Thu ngai thak ani ang Heng Home Missionary te hi January ni sompruk ninga ni khan interview mangin lak anlo ni to a chungte chu unaw nu sangkhumi Bible woman Evangelist Vanal Rosiama Evangelist H. Lalming Moya Evangelist H. K. Mangaya Evangelist Vanal Ngaka Evangelist H. Lalbiak Zava Evangelist H. Malsom Thanga Evangelist K. Vanal Dika unaw pa H. Lal Fakzwala le unaw pa Ram Hwablianate anne Aizawl East District chunga bia shangshangte chuan January ni somni pali atanga ni somni paruk chung khan BLPYD inkhom pui hlotling takin an mang BLPYD inkhom pui a hian zirtop jana tang khan Bialchen Khatchuan Revival inkhom hun manghalin Bialchen Khatchuan Variety Program in hun an manga Bible Quiz zaipol le lengkhom zai manga inti sia kanom bok January ni somni panga inrini nileng khan bial chung inopna le district alu turbaka kumsang ni somni chunga bial kalphung turte ngai to in rorel inkhom an nei hlama heta hian Bialchen Khatchuan Missionary rongbawlna baka North East India UPC ten fasha chomna kan nei ASC Home sponsor chungchangte unreal book ani BLPYD inkhom pui hi hetiang hian district PYD shwai tu te chuan an man pui ani district PYD treasurer unaw pa R Vanal pe ka chuan sakordai biala ahman puya Una pa kelal biak nunga Financial Secretary chuan chingchip bial manpuin Evangelist Sila Remrod Assistant Secretary chuan bongkon bial manpuya Evangelist Sila chuanga Vice President Evangelist F Malsom tuanga Secretary le Reverend R Latlan Kima President te chuan Aizo khopui chung bial shangshanga an manpui bok ani Tundin huna Aizol East District chunga hian bial somthum omekin PYD member kumsang ni suam pakwa report atanga alandanin sang rukzaruk chuang anom meka District PYD te hian zo khothar huna building an sakchu kumsang ni suam paria December thakhan hon aloni to a kholian bial daidam huna rawngbawlna missions department in tangkopin an nei mek bok ani bial shangshang mandan kan shat theite report toy ngai thaila bokon bial chuan ramhlun veng thar biagena inkhom puivoi somni pangana Silver Jubilee Conference ni bok chu hlotling takin an manga thupuya lalpa chuan thilro pui takte min ti saka kan lom hle ani sam number za somni paruk chang hi thu mangin Speaker Evangelist Sila Remrod District PYD Assistant Secretary an mang ani Silver Jubilee Conference ani angin BLPYD Shwaina na lo thokto te nena chormoina hlanni in souvenir box sai ani boka BLPYD President Launi to chen khatten hena tringin thu soi toy an ngai thabok ani bokon bial te hian thule omma chu District Missions Department a missionary pahni chom turin ro rel na chuan a past ani Bazar bial te chuan District Headquarters kaushana BLPYD inkhom pui voisom hi pasari na hlim takin an manga thu puishan pani lovin Speaker Evangelist T biaklala an mang ani Keifang bial te chuan bial headquarters keifang huna BLPYD inkhom pui voili na hlim takin an manga thu puya rawngbawlna khalhen ro Timothea thon hi bungli changa thu mangin Speaker Evangelist H Larinliana an mang ani champhai bial te chuan jail veng kaushan biak ina PYD inkhom pui voi somli palina hlim takin an manga thu puishan pani lovin Speaker bial to Pastor Reverend VL Hem tuanga an mang ani Sai 12 bial te chuan 12 bung kaushana BLPYD inkhom pui voi somthum panhi na mangin thu puishan pani lovin Speaker Reverend R Sangthanga an mang ani Normanlai phai BLPYD te chuan kholai lungbung mun kaushana BLPYD inkhom pui voi som nga pangana hi an manga thupuya nangmal somna ni angche Genesis bung som panhi chang ni thu mangin Speaker bial to Pastor H Lalro puya an mang ani Normanlai phai bial te hian lengkhom zai le PYD thil tum mangin local inti siak na anneya kumsang ni som pakwa conference le sang ni som hi conference in Kara Bible chair chuak mi paruk te hena loman an hlanbo kumsang hi som hi pakhata headquarters kaushana inkhom pui hi an mangle ang khorulian bial te chuan kebran huna BLPYD inkhom pui voi somli pariat na hlim takin an manga thu puishan pa nei lovin Speaker Evangelist HMS Zongkima an mang ani inkhom pui chanzan khan lengkhom zai le Bible quiz mangin inti siak na anneya inkhom pui chung hian tharau thiang him dong thar mi pathum omin siam thar le na changmi engemozat anom bok ani chingchip bial te chuan bial headquarters chingchip kaushana BLPYD inkhom pui voi somthum palina le mid voi som pasari na hlim takin January ni somni pathum ninga ni atong khan an mangtana ninga ni chonu khan account training a bultanin Evangelist HR Larindiga District Office cashier le District Sunday School Secretary ni bokchu resource person an mang ani mid hi January ni somni panga zirtop jan thleng khan mangin item chi shangshangin inti siak na anneya chingchi bial ti hian inkhom pui thupuya idin thar le ang u Nehemia mbung ni chang som pasari thu mangin Speaker bial to Pastor Reverend PB Chongtin lian an mang ani chingchi bial ti hian bial chunga Shifts for Christ ti hlotlin nan rongbol tu roi ni se anti a chingchi bial a hian unaw pa kelal biak nunga District PYD Financial Secretary chuan manpuin pathiani chonu khan thu soi rongbawlna anei ani Kohhai bial ti chuan bangtlang kaushana BLPYD inkhom pui voi somli pariat na hlim takin an manga thu puishan pa nei lovin Speaker Reverend JH Zahluna an mang ani champhai bethel bial ti chuan zai on local BLPYD inkhom pui voi som pathum na hlim takin an manga Speaker Evangelist K Vanaldika an mang ani Islungdar bial ti chuan North Mall cheng huna BLPYD inkhom pui voi som thum paruk na hlim takin an manga Speaker Evangelist H Remhlua an mang ani Islungdar bial ti hian Bible quiz le lengkhom hlamanga inti siak na nein kumsang ni somni pakhata Islungdar kaushana inkhom pui hi an nei le ang Khozol bial ti chuan Evangelist Vilal du amalung le District PYD President Speaker mangin BLPYD in khompui hi BL headquarters khozol veng thar kaushana an manga thupuya nangmal somna ni angche Genesis bungsom panhi chang ni thuan mang ani Zemabok BL de chuan BL headquarters Zemabok veng pui kaushana in khompui voi som thum panhi na lim takin an manga thupui shan pa nei lovin misang sang hne na tengin thu soi an ngai thlachin ani in khompui tran zan khan variety program a hun mangin Zaipol quiz le worship dance le an tir ani Trumpui BL de chuan Trumpui kaushana BLPYD in khompui voi som panhi na lim takin an manga thupui shan pa nei lovin misang sang hne na tengin thu soi ngai thak ani Sakordai BLT pu in new vervek kaushana BLPYD in khompui voi som li pangana lim takin an manga thupui shan pa nei lovin unaw nu lalvo biki unaw pa silaram moya baka unaw pa R Vanel Peka district PYD treasurer le BLT pastor Kelal Manpui atan hne na tengin thu cha an ngai thlachin ani Thingsul thia BLT chuan CTI kaushana BLPYD in khompui voi som li paria na lim takin an manga Thupui shan pa nei lovin bel to pastor Reverend Romhing Liana speaker an mang ani Serchip din thar bel to chuan pastor ke Bana Shwaya speaker mangin Siang Tlang kaushana BLPYD in khompui voi som pakwana an manga thupuya iram lo thlengro se luka bung som pakhat chang hi thuan mang ani Serchip BLT pu in BLPYD in khompui voi som li palina lim takin ngen tiang kaushana an manga speaker a bel to pastor Bilal Engzawa an mang ani In khompui borak kalzela January ni somni pasari thotan ni khan pathian choi moina nei ani a lim takin hun an mang ani Serchip BLPYD in khompui a hiam palai thanem takalin kumsang ni somni pakhata BL headquarters biak impui in khompui an mang le ang Darlon BL de chuan ratumel kon kaushana BLPYD in khompui voi somthum pangana lim takin an manga thupuya iwang lai hian isiam tu shereng ro thushil tu bungsom panhi chang khat thu an mang ani Rabung BL de chuan evangelist JH Malsom Dongliana General PYD Secretary Speaker mangin Aiduzol kaushana BLPYD in khompui voi som nga panhi na lim takin an mang ani Rabung BL de hian kumsang ni som ni chunga SC home tempui na pekte tharau thiang hlim harna a thlen theina be pui thakte baka thiang hlim na seminar BLPYD in khompui sang ni som ni pakhata neite an pas baka kumsang ni som ni pakhata hlia puya in khompui hi an mangle don ani Molpui BLT chuan ITI kaushana BLPYD in khompui voi rukna lim takin an manga speaker evangelist HK lan mangaya an mang ani Zirtop zan khan variety program hun mangin Bible quiz manga in elna nein BL chunga vengtinin items zirtir nei chatak tak an entir bok Molpui BLT hian kumsang ni somni chunga BL hwa pathi sen pekte zukle momri hlolam hoi seminar bwa chaite general le district PYD Nwaya missionary chomte baka BL hwa pa ASC home tempui le revival crusade nei te an thupa salang sar ani ngopa BL te chuan selam veng thar kaushana BLPYD in khompui voi somni pakwana lim takin an manga thupuya Krista ta na sengkhom ti mangin Reverend Biak Sangzola district secretary speaker an mang ani Bethlehem BL te chuan Bethlehem veng thang kaushana BLPYD in khompui voi somthum pariat na lim takin an manga in khompui tran zan khan leng khom zai le quiz manga in ti siak na nein thupui shan pa nei lovin misang sang hne na tengin thu soi an ngai thlachin ani Zongmun BL te chuan BLPYD in khompui voi som pakhat na mauchar huna hlim takin an manga thupuya iswa lokal le na thupuan bungsom hi panhi chang som panhi thu mangin BL to pastor Bilal Minglian speaker an mang ani Zongmun BL chunga hian PYD member zugle mom ngei thar mi panga an oma kumsang ni somni pakhata North Ting huna in khompui hi an mangle anga kumsang ni somni PYD day bialin ahwawa manni se antibok Upper Republic BL de chuan BL headquarters Upper Republic kaushana BLPYD in khompui voi somni pangana Silver Jubilee ro pui takin an manga Zirtop zan khan Silver Jubilee lom na mangin variety program in hun an manga Jubilee honna BL to pastor Reverend Silal Engliana chuan nein Uparo daila vazote BLPYD President Masabarin Jubilee made na anebok. He huna hian Upper Republic BL Shrine na halo thokto te baka sport le education lamati thraden hena choi moina an hlan bokani. Upper Republic BLPYD in khompui hian thupui shampa nei lovin BL to pastor Reverend Silal Engliana baka BLPYD President Launito Chen khaten hena dringin thu soi an ngai thachin ani. Nalan BL de chuan January ni soma tangani som pani chungkhan Khuang pha kaushana bial PYD in khom pu hirem chanjok na awangin anlo mang to a thupuya mi ti omna tura kong te siam thatu ni angche isaya bungsom nga pariat chang som panhi thu mangin speaker a khoru lian bel du pastor mingchung no ngaral te an mang ani in khom puya hiam palai za chuangkalin kumsang ni somni pakhat in khom pui vapara an mangle don ani in khom pui nei chung hian tharau lam siam tharna changmi engemozat omin tharau baptisma la changlo mi pathumin tharau baptisma an chang thar bok ani Aizawl East District Nuaya Kaushan Puile Department Shangshang te sumchu February ni som pakhat atang ni som pali hian endikna audit nei ani don auditor satam Pastor H Lalrau puya Pastor Lal mangai oma parte baka Pastor Bilal Engzawale upa Joseph Lashwai tuanga te chu District Board chuan alo ruat to ani Aizawl East District chunga bia shangshang te chuan karle February ni sari atanga niko chung hian bial in khom pui an mangdon Inrini nileng in bial chung inop na le district alu turngai to in rural na hun nei ani anga inrini zana tung in revival in khoma hun man ngal ani ang he hun a hiam bial chunga member boral su na hun man ngal ani bokang Aizawl East District chunga hiam bial somthum omekin bial in khompu hi district shwai tu ten hun shangshanga an man puidon ani January ni somhle paruk pathian ni khan zemobok kaushana loi turin methar pathum kaushana senglu anni Zemobok kaushana vekhan January ni sompakwa pathian ni khan mithar panga senglu anlo ni to bok January ni somni panga khan Trumpui bial Falkland kaushana mithar pakhatin swangai damdam baptisma bel to pastor Reverend KBL mangai kemakuta atchang ani District kaushan pui shrai tu te chuan pathiani zana Zemobok veng pui biagina missionary tirchwana neya antelanga Reverend Rosanga Colony District Superintendent chuan tirchwana le hlanna nein Reverend Biak Sangzola District Secretary in Henry Fuina Thungai Thakani anga Reverend Vanel Philaramtiam District Treasurer in Benediction Hun amang thung don ani Churachampur District January ni somthum pakhazir top jana tanga February ni hi pathiani thlengkhan thangting section le lentlang section te chuan sectional conference an mangdon thangting section hian Salmwal hoya conference hi an mangdona District Secretary Reverend Pausele Reverend Haungama District Treasurer te chuan conference an manpui Lentlang section 10 rank dila sectional conference mangin District Superintendent Reverend Lalzom le Pastor Kela Ramdina Tuibong section Pastor 10 conference an manpui Chimtuipui District Rongbawlna chanchin January ni somhne paruk pathiani khan Resika Kaushana loi turin chung kohni member pasari te chu sectional pastor Kholi Hlicha chuan Pentecostal Kaushana asengluta pangkhwa Kaushana po chung ko khat member pathum chu Pentecostal Kaushana loi turin home missionary evangelist Larry Lalding lianan asenglut bok Chimtuipui District chung bial shangshang te chuan January ni somthum pakhat atanga February ni hi chung hian bial in khompui an mangmek Siha bial te chuan district headquarters local news siha in khompui an manga evangelist Robert B Lanunciamati home missionary Rongbawlna tura Ryan nangmal somna ni angche Genesis bungsom hne panhi chang hne ti thupuya an mang ni o tlang bial te chuan siata wan local a khompui an mang thunganga evangelist Kerin Thar district PYD president chu speaker atan an roi tuipang bial te chuan tuipang vi local a conference an manganga Reverend C Valley pensioner to speaker atan an roi Sangau bial te chuan Sangau tu local a khompui an manga evangelist V John district Sunday school director to speaker atan roi thiang hlimna te thupuya tan an mang ani Siha bial PYD malangna in January ni somni panga in Rini Khan Chimtuipui district headquarters local Sunday school hall a workshop on no tobacco and prevention of TB nei ani Hehuna hian sarkar lam heng mi te hne tang hian zirtin na ngai thak ni in zona le chana hun hlok thak tak an mangbok resource person te JL Thanjwali tobacco chobei khochi TB Chimtuipui district chunga tunhnaya lom thu soi choi maina report Rongbawlna tu C Vanal peka Sangau tu chuan January ni somni pathum ninga ni khan bong le vokin choi moina aneya kaushan ten pathian ma somna tamtak andonga he choi moina hiam pastor C lal chhuan thangale evangelist Larry Lalian dinga ten Rongbawlna anne ani January ni somni panga ninga ni vekhan Siha council veng kaushan ten choi moina anneya tharau ma somna hnuaya hunhlim om tak an manga twal chung kaushan upa ten Rongbawlna anne ani January ni somni paria thole ni khanpu H hengno na sanga 110 pathian choi moina nein tharaumal somna na satak dungin bel to pastor ke Kohhran moyan rawngbawlna ane ole khatizong khadun tumata na UPC North East India Kausan rawngbawlna chanchin thar kan thlir le ngai thak haule theite ni e